We are now in Exercise 3, Task 2, and according to the book, we are supposed to create a new file with the name 4455-200. So going here to Creo, the first thing we need to do is check our working directory and click on working directory and check whether Google Drive's working directory. It is not in this case, so you're going to go again to your Lab G computer and click Google Drive, and then click My Drive, and then go to your 10th grade engineering folder. Okay, simply click OK, and then double check whether your working directory set to Google Drive. Now it is. So you can look at up here that it says Google Drive, My Drive, Engineering 10th grade. Okay, it doesn't matter the order of how you created your folders, but in case I know it's on the Google Drive. So let's look at the book again. The book says that we need to create a file called 4455-200. So we're going to do a new, leave it at part, and then we're going to add here our last name underscore first name underscore 4455-200. And then we're going to make sure there's a check on use the default template, and then click OK. Now we're in this interface. For some of you, sometimes you don't have your datum planes, and I believe you can see your datum planes from one of these buttons over here, and you can see here it says datum display filters. So sometimes this option here is not checked. So if it's not checked, you won't see your datum planes. Okay, so to see your datum planes, go to this button over here and make sure that the plane display is checked so you can see it. Okay, going back to the book, it says that you will select the front datum plane and you will use the sketch icon. So we're gonna select the front datum plane, which is this one. Select that, and then we're going to do the sketch, and now we're ready to draw the sketch. We are going to use the line icon to draw and sketch a horizontal line aligned with the horizontal reference. Okay, so let's look at the diagram again. On the diagram, we have to align the bottom using the top reference line, and then the start of the line should be on the right reference line. Okay, so according to the book, we're supposed to start our line from here. So we're going to do the line command or the line button over here. We're going to select over here, and we're just going to drag it somewhere over here. We're not particularly interested in the height or the length, so we just click here, and then you can see that you can continuously draw a line. So to stop drawing the line, you simply have to press the middle button of your mouse or the scroll wheel to stop. Okay, going back to the book again, it says that you're going to sketch another horizontal line above the first line and equal lengths as shown below. So the bottom line here is supposed to be equal to the top over here. So we're going to now draw another line, and then we're going to select somewhere here, and then as you draw, Creo will automatically detect the length of another line above or below it, and will suggest that do you want to match the length. So if you don't want to match the length, you can simply go further or you can go shorter. So let's deliberately click on getting shorter. Okay, so click that, and then stop the line by pressing the middle button. So now you have one long line and one short line. So what you're going to do now is we're going to use the constraints tool group. So what you want to do is you want to constrain the length of these two lines to be the same. So that's the equal constraint over here. So you're simply going to pick one line, and then you pick the other line, and they will automatically match, and there is your constraint. Okay, they are equal to each other. So if you want to make sure that they're equal, you simply select the equal constraint button and you can match the two lengths. The second thing that the book is asking us to do is we need to use the 3-point tangent icon and sketch two tangent arcs. So this is an arc at the end, and then you have another arc at the end, and it looks like it is half a circle. So to do that, we're going to go back to Creo. We're going to find the arc here, and we're going to pull it down, and then we're going to select that first one here that says 3-point tangent. So select that, and to use this, you're simply going to pick one line, endpoint and then the other line that's endpoint over here, and then you can drag your mouse, okay, to go to open up or down. So this, since this one is using this reference line, it is automatically doing a half circle. You simply press your middle button and you're done with that end. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to do this arc 3-point, and we're simply going to select this endpoint here and this endpoint here, and here you can make the arc opening this way or that way, and this little cross here, or the cross in the middle of the arc, is the center of the arc. So just to make sure that it opens up as a half a circle, there you go, and then simply click the middle button of your mouse. Okay, oops, made a mistake. Don't click the middle button, click the left button. So 1, 2, drag your cursor or your mouse until it snaps as a half circle, then click again, and there you go. So now we want a certain length and height for this diagram, so we're going to want to put a dimension of 3 and a length of 10. So we're going to go to the dimension tool, simply select the top line, the bottom line, and then drag on the left, and then middle button, click. Okay, and then press enter. We're going to change that later. Dimension again, we're going to click this arc and then this arc, and then put your mouse here in the bottom and then click the middle button and then press enter. So right now when we drew this, it was 4 point something and 12 point something. We can just now change this to 3 according to the book. It's 3, so just 3, enter, and then this one is double click to make that a 10, press enter, and it should now match what the book is saying. It's supposed to be 3 by 10. The end point of the line is supposed to start at the intersection of the right reference line and the top reference line, and total length is 10. So that's what we have here. This is the right reference line, the top reference line, and it matches. Okay, so since we're done, we're going to click now OK. Okay, and then we're going to go to our standard orientation, and it should look like this. So we go now to our orientations button over here. Okay, is that this one here? Oh, no, it's this one. And then standard orientation, and there you go. Okay, now we're going to pan it, and remember how to pan. You have to press, I believe, your control and then your middle button. Oh, that's spin, so we're gonna undo. Oh, I lost the whole drawing. There you go. We're gonna go again to standard orientation. And how does pan work again? Is that shift or no? So I forgot. Nope. Yeah, it's shift, not control. So shift, and bring that up there so we can see it, and then we're going to take a picture of this portion over here showing the name of the file and the work that we've done. So over here on the search on Windows, we're going to type in snip, and we're going to use the snipping tool. We're going to click new, and then we're going to snip from this portion over here. Okay, up, new, and then snip, new, and then snip from this portion over here. Click, come on, click, there you go, and then make a box like this. Okay, and then we're gonna save this, and we're going to label this last name underscore first name underscore 4455-200, and then simply click save. It's saved now. Going back to Creo, we're going to now save this. So we're going to go file, save, and it should save now in your Google Engineering, and you simply click OK, and you've just saved that and taken a picture using the snip tool. We are now going to go to and open Chrome. So let's open Chrome here. If if you haven't opened it yet. And then we're going to go to our Google Classroom. And on our engineering 1 classwork, you will see here the link to Padlet, and simply click on that link, and we're going to submit our drawing here. So we're going to click the plus sign. We're going to upload by using this button, upload, not the picture but upload. And then we're going to find our 4455-200 PNG, double click, and it will load it here. And then all you have to do is add here the subject name of the file without your first name, last name, because it will show anyway, 4455-200, and simply click publish, and you just submitted your task number 2. In order to distinguish that one from the other, I think we should edit our first one and our second one, so we can edit the post, and then we can add here task 1 and then update, and then here again we can click this and then edit posts and put in task 2 and then update. So we now have submitted task 1 and task 2. Okay, this is the last portion for task 2.